Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wax these lovely, beautiful underarms right here. I know it's disgusting. Usually I wouldn't do this, but I'm doing it for the sake of the video for you guys. I've been growing these out for a while. I've actually been shaving for a while just because I haven't had the time to grow them out. But since I did, I figured I'd make a video for you guys and show you guys how I wax them at home. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. You guys give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what other videos you guys like to see. I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna get right into the video.
So I wanted to show you guys the products I'll be working with today. Here I have my wax pot. I have some Suddenly Smooth Aloe Skin Soother Gel, sanitizers, some hand wipes, and my gloves that I like to use. And then I'm going to be using my wax sticks as well. So I just want to insert this little clip right here for you guys so you can see. I have my wax pot turned up on high right now because I'm trying to melt the wax that I'm using. And the wax that I use is by Cerapill. I'll be linking it down in the description box where you guys can purchase it yourselves at. It's a hard wax, so it's going to be a lot gentler on the skin. But I'm going to let this heat up for about 15 minutes. I put it on high just so the wax will warm up quicker. I'll turn it all the way down to low once it starts warming up where I want it to be. So yeah, I'll be back once that happens to show you guys what to do. And this wax pot is from GG. You can get it right at Sally's. So BRB, gonna just put the lid on and wait. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna start to jump right into it. But I mean, this is a consistency that you can work with. I usually like to melt mine a little more, but I need to get this going. So just keep stirring and stirring. You look on the sides, again, some of that hot wax in the bottom of the pan. This will work, this is fine. Okay, girlies, this is what we're working with. I wanna make a note right now. You're gonna need some wax sticks. I have mine in this little box right here. I use a fresh wax stick every single time I dip my wax into that pot. You never wanna double dip because then you'll cross-contaminate and then you could spread diseases and germs, especially if you're sharing the wax pot with someone. Even for yourself, it's still disgusting, so just don't do that. If you ever see someone doing that, run. Do not get serviced by that person. So yeah, I just threw away that wax stick that I was using to stir the pot with, and yeah, I use one of these fresh sticks. So first I'm gonna put my gloves on. These are, I don't know where I got, oh, they're my last pair, but I have more. I think I got those at like Sally's or something, but like you can get them at Rite Aid, CVS. If you do have a professional license, obviously you can get them at Salon Centric or Cosmoprof, but these ones I got right at Sally's. So just gonna put my gloves on. Make sure that your underarms are clean, like you're either freshly showered or like use a cleanser or something like that. Mine are already clean, so I don't have to worry about that, taking a shower. So I'm gonna use a fresh wax stick. I'm dipping into the wax, stir it around, and then just start gathering wax on my stick. And what you wanna do is make sure that you spin the wax around in your fingers, like basically what I'm doing right now. You can practice this a couple times, and you can re-dip this because you have not touched the skin with that, and then you can go in again until you get the amount of wax that you want on your stick. You want about this much. This usually works. Sometimes you can dip it in a little further, add some more. Like that's a lot of wax, but I mean, you can still use it. This wax is still a little thicker than I want. What you don't want is all the wax running off of your stick. You want it to pretty much stay on your stick. Like I'm turning it pretty slow now and it's still on my stick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let a lot of this run off of my stick, and I'm gonna do a test strip on my arm. The inner part of your arm right here is the most sensitive part of your skin. So if it's hot here, it's gonna be hot on the rest of the body. And my wax feels pretty warm. I'm just applying a strip down, making my little lip at the bottom. That's probably, it's a bad one, but. And then I'm just gonna let it dry. See, it's too tacky, so you can't rip it yet. Once it's no longer tacky, then you can rip that wax up. That's good. I'm gonna use the stick to kind of remove that front part, and then I'm just gonna pull up. And that's it. So yeah, that was painless. My underarms are gonna be pretty painful though, because I have not waxed these babies in a while. So I'm scared. Another thing you guys can do too is put some powder on your underarms. That'll help dry up the skin, especially if you get like sweaty and stuff, or like, I don't know, wet underneath your underarms. And it'll take some of the pain away too, but I'm just gonna go straight in for it. So I'm just twirling my wax around. Oh my God, I'm so scared to do this. Why am I doing this? Okay, I'm gonna first go downwards. I'm gonna apply the wax at the top and then just make little lines down. And then you wanna make a little lip at the bottom. Just twirl your wax stick just so you have something to grip onto. This is gonna hurt like a bitch. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna remove some of that wax and put it on my glove. I'll show you guys in a second. Make sure that you keep your arm up. Once it's here, you have to do it. It's not going anywhere. See that? It's still too tacky. It's still coming up some. I always get nervous when I wax myself. Yeah, my wax is still hot. And how this wax works too, if your house is hot, it will not ever dry. So make sure that you have a fan on or the air conditioning or something, because it needs to dry up some. You don't want it too dry because then it can break. All right, I'm gonna flick it up at the bottom. And you guys are gonna just see my true and honest reaction to this. And I'm just gonna rip up, okay? You can hold the skin taut too. Why am I doing this? All right, that actually wasn't bad. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna show you guys in the camera if you can see. My underarms were very hairy. I'm trying to get to focus right now. I gotta focus. You guys can see, those are my hairs. Take this in the trash. Take your fresh, clean wax stick, twirl it around, twirl it on the stick, and then we're gonna switch hands. You have to be a little ambidextrous to do this, but I assure you, you'll be fine. It actually didn't hurt at all, and I haven't waxed in a long time, so happy about that. All right, it's not coming off my stick anymore. Ready to apply it. Just go straight in for it. Down, 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 down. I probably could have used a little more wax. It's okay, because what I'm gonna do is get another stick, dip it in, just add it on. It's fine. Make the lip. And when you see waxers doing this, keep ripping up now. All you gotta do is just take the wax stick, flick up once. I hate seeing people go. And you always want to put that little end strip where you don't have any hair, because you're not going to feel it when you put it there. If you stop it in the middle of where you have hair, you're going to be pulling at those hairs. It's going to be a nightmare. So stop it at the end where your hair doesn't grow. All right, this is ready and I'm scared, so I'm just going to do it. And this one came. See, this one I always gotta do this one twice because the way I pull it is weird, but it still looks good. You just use that to get the rest of that wax off, and I still got a lot of hair on this one. See my little hair follicles in there? Love that. Love that for me. So yeah, just gonna throw that little cutie in the trash. And so we went downwards on these, so now we're gonna go upwards. Take a fresh wax stick. And I have my temperature on medium right now, my wax spot, just so you guys know. Let's apply upwards. Same thing. Make your lip at the top. Just push all those hairs up. And now all my hairs are gone. I only had a cup on this, but you guys can still see sort of where the hairs were at. Going with fresh stick. Twirl it. I always twirl it with this hand, and then I'll just switch the hand over. So we need to go upwards again. And yeah, I got the last little 5 strips on this one. I'm just gonna remove that extra wax I got up there. Okay. Well, anyways, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with this Aloe Skin Soother Gel. Do I have one? Yeah. When I wax clients, I'll apply something like this. It's just an after serum type thing. I mean, this isn't the best, but like I don't have any clients that break out with this, and I don't break out with it either. It just suits the skin after. So I'm gonna shake it up, apply it with a little cotton round. You don't have to, you can just use your hands, but I just like doing this. Put a couple little drops there, a couple little drops there. Smooth it out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get smooth underarms. The only other thing I would say is don't put any deodorant on after you guys do this, just because your pores can potentially get clogged just so they're dry. And yeah, they feel so smooth and clean. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful and you're gonna try it at home, let me know down below. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, take care.